Welcome to our tutorial on why you should learn email marketing in 2025. Today, we're going to explore how mastering email marketing can open doors to new job opportunities, help you earn more if you're running your own business, and even enable you to build a profitable side hustle, all while keeping you in control of your digital communications. Email marketing remains one of the most powerful digital channels today. With nearly 4.73 billion users projected by 2026, and over 361 billion emails sent every day, email offers you direct cost-effective communication that stands out from the noise on social media. For business owners, especially small businesses, email marketing can be a game changer. It not only boosts sales but also builds long-term customer relationships. And here's what you will gain. 1. Increased sales and profit. Email campaigns can generate between 25% to 45% of a business's total revenue. 2. Cost-effectiveness. With an ROI of around $36 for every $1 spent, even small budgets can yield big results. 3. Customer loyalty. Regular personalized emails keep customers coming back, turning one-time buyers into loyal fans. Imagine a small boutique sending a personalized offer that not only brings back past customers but also attracts new ones, all without a huge marketing budget. Now, if you're a marketing professional, mastering email marketing can give you a serious edge. It's a skill that can boost your career and even your salary. To explain more, consider the following advantages. 1. Career advancement. Specialists in email marketing earn an average salary of around $59,561 per year, with managers earning up to $124,542. 2. Competitive edge. As 78% of marketers are increasing their email budgets, staying updated with email marketing trends ensures you remain competitive in the fast-evolving digital landscape. By learning email marketing, you're not just adding another skill, you're positioning yourself as an indispensable asset in any marketing team. For students entering the job market, email marketing is a fundamental skill that can set you apart. And here's how. 1. Job market readiness. With 64% of small businesses relying on email marketing, knowing how to craft effective campaigns makes you more attractive to employers. 2. Hands-on experience. Gain practical real-world experience by learning how to build, send, and optimize email campaigns. 3. Competitive advantage. Employers value candidates who can demonstrate both creativity and analytical thinking, skills that are honed through email marketing. This means that by investing in email marketing skills, you're not just learning theory, you're building a portfolio that can kickstart your career. Now, for those of you who are just starting out or looking to create your own online business, email marketing can be your pathway to financial independence. Consider the following benefits. 1. Financial independence. Start a blog or affiliate marketing business and build an email list that generates revenue. Even a small list of 1,000 subscribers can lead to significant earnings if managed well. 2. Profit potential. With targeted campaigns, beginners can earn around $50 per campaign through affiliate commissions, and as your list grows, so does your income. 3. Flexibility and control. Email marketing allows you to work on your terms, manage campaigns, create content, and optimize strategies all from anywhere in the world. It's not just about earning money, it's about taking control of your career and building a business that works for you. Email marketing isn't static, it's evolving rapidly, and here are some trends you need to know. 1. Personalization with AI. Advanced algorithms now tailor emails to each subscriber, increasing engagement and conversion rates. 2. Automation. Tools help you set up drip campaigns and follow up emails, saving time and ensuring consistency. 3. Interactive content. From quizzes to animated visuals, interactive elements are boosting engagement rates. Staying ahead in email marketing means embracing these trends and using them to your advantage. In essence, email marketing is more than just a tool, it's a strategy that delivers real-world impact. For businesses, it drives revenue and customer loyalty. For professionals, it offers career growth and higher earning potential. For students, it's a competitive edge in a crowded job market. And for beginners, it opens the door to entrepreneurial freedom and financial independence. This is why learning email marketing in 2025 is not just a smart move, it's essential for anyone looking to succeed in the digital age. As we've seen, email marketing is a versatile, cost-effective, and high-impact tool. Whether you're running a business, advancing your career, preparing for the job market, or launching your own venture, the skills you learn here will open countless opportunities.